shallow, deep pan, shallow, deep, shallow pan, shallow dish pan. Oh my god, what is that? And welcome back to my channel. Today is Korean Cuisine Day, and we feel like having Budae Jjigae and 𝐒𝐲 at home. So here we are. Okay, I'm not gonna take credit for this. This recipe was actually recommended and introduced to me by my friend 𝐼𝐬𝐬𝑡, and we had it a lot of times at home, but we modify it here and there to our liking. So we actually reduce sodium and sugar and things like that, because all the ingredients that we're gonna use, we're gonna have in Budae Jjigae are actually like mostly processed food, and processed food are salty as F. Right? We all know that. So I don't recommend that you have it often, but once in a while, it's fine. Unless you really love it. Alright, let's take a look at the ingredients. For the specific amount of ingredients, you can find it down in the descriptions below. Let's get started with mixing the Budae Jjigae sauce.
This is really easy because all you need to do is put everything in a bowl and mix it up. So you really can dump everything into the bowl and mix it up, but I find it easier to mix the paste without the garlic bits first.
Alright, now let's take a look at the ingredients for the stew. These are the basic ingredients for Budae Jjigae, and if you didn't realize, I actually missed out tteokbokki, because I'm not a fan of tteokbokki. I don't really like tteokbokki, so if you love tteokbokki, get tteokbokki, alright? It's actually like having our very local steamboat. You can actually add like cheese tofu, like fish cake or whatever you have in your steamboat. You know, you can just put it in, it's fine. But now I'm just doing like the really basic ingredients. Okay, let's prepare them. And now we're ready to arrange them into the stewing pan. This is actually a pilar pan. I bought this like 5 years ago for Budae Jjigae. Okay, if you don't have this, it's okay. As long as you have any like shallow, deep pan, shallow pan, shallow dish pan. What is that? Okay, as long as you have like a shallow pan, okay, and then you are good to go for Budae Jjigae. And if you really don't have a shallow pan at home, it's okay. Just use like your hot pot pan. Okay. Ready, we can bring it to the table and start stewing. Bring it to a hard boil for about 5 minutes, and then bring it down to medium-low heat and let it stew. And you can eat while it's cooking at the same time. Alright, so if anything that's not enough, like I said, it's just like hot pot, you can keep adding and adding and adding. Alright? Okay, thank you for watching and enjoy your dinner or lunch.